In the dark depths of the oceans, where survival is relentless and unforgiving, one predator rules supreme. The great white shark, or Carcharodon carcharias, is a creature whose biological design has barely changed for over 400 million years, making it older than many features of our solar system, including the magnificent rings of Saturn. For decades, it was portrayed simply as a mindless, killing machine. Yet modern research reveals a far more complex and intelligent hunter. Its stealth, speed, and senses allow it to dominate the oceans in ways we are only beginning to understand. Biology and unique powers. Every part of the great white shark is finely tuned for hunting. Unlike most fish, it is capable of warming its swimming muscles and even its eyes, giving it the rare advantage of moving swiftly through cold water without slowing down. Its skin is covered with millions of tiny, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles. These not only act as armor, but also reduce drag and turbulence, allowing remarkable efficiency in movement. The shark's teeth are a marvel of evolution. With multiple rows of razor-sharp replacements, the great white maintains a constantly renewing arsenal of up to 300 teeth, ensuring that its bite is always lethal. Super senses. The great white's hunting prowess is not only physical. Its senses surpass our own in astonishing ways. Its incredible sense of smell allows it to detect a single drop of blood diluted in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. The lateral line along its body senses vibrations in the water, creating an accurate map of nearby movements even in murky conditions. Perhaps most extraordinary is the ampullae of Lorenzini, a network of jelly-filled pores around its nose. This allows the shark to detect ultra-faint electrical fields generated by the muscles of other animals. For the great white, prey is not only flesh and blood, it is a detectable electrical signal. Strategic hunting. The great white does not attack blindly. It employs careful tactics to maximize hunting success. It often strikes from below and behind, using the sun to hide its silhouette, delivering a sudden and powerful blow designed to incapacitate prey instantly. After the initial strike, the shark may retreat momentarily, waiting for the prey to weaken before returning. This demonstrates not instinct alone, but calculated risk assessment. Research in shark-gathering areas shows that great whites are not always solitary. They follow social hierarchies, displaying dominance and avoidance signals. This social intelligence ensures that multiple sharks can share hunting grounds without unnecessary conflict. Unbelievable longevity and evolution. The great white shark's lineage predates many features of the modern world. Existing for over 400 million years, it has survived ice ages, continental shifts, and mass extinctions. Its enduring success is a testament to evolutionary design, combining strength, strategy, and sensory mastery in a single apex predator. As we continue to study these magnificent creatures, we uncover the secrets of the ocean and the astonishing adaptations that allow the great white to thrive. It is more than a predator. It is a planner, a biological strategist, and a living relic of Earth's ancient oceans. Yet, even with its evolutionary mastery, the great white shark remains one of the most misunderstood animals in the ocean. Popular culture shaped its image as a relentless man-eater, but scientific data tells a different story. Humans are not part of its natural dietary equation. Most encounters are accidental, driven by curiosity rather than aggression. In fact, many bites are test bites, where the shark takes a single sample and then disengages. If the great white truly saw humans as prey, the statistics would be dramatically different. Its migration patterns reveal another layer of mystery. Some individuals travel thousands of kilometers across entire ocean basins, navigating with precision that scientists still struggle to explain. Using a combination of magnetic fields, olfactory cues, and possibly even celestial navigation, The great white traces ancient routes between feeding and breeding grounds. One tagged shark traveled from South Africa to Australia and back, covering more than 20,000 kilometers in less than a year. No human-built submarine of comparable size could replicate such efficiency. Sharks also play a vital ecological role. As apex predators, they maintain balance by removing weak, sick, or injured animals from the ecosystem. Without them, seal and fish populations could explode beyond sustainable levels, triggering a cascade of ecological damage. From coral reefs to open oceans, sharks silently stabilize the very systems that support marine life. Their disappearance would not only disrupt oceanic food webs, but ultimately affect coastal communities and fisheries that depend on those systems for survival. But the great white shark faces a threat more lethal than any of its prehistoric rivals: humans. Overfishing, trophy hunting, and accidental capture in nets have reduced populations drastically in many regions. Some sharks are killed simply for their fins, destined for luxury soups that serve no nutritional purpose. Others die in ghost nets or longlines set for tuna. The irony is that while humans fear sharks, sharks should fear humans. Marine biologists warn that losing the great white could have irreversible consequences. Apex predators are slow to reproduce, with late maturity and low birth rates. A female may carry her pups for up to 18 months before giving birth, and only a handful survive into adulthood. This means that even small increases in mortality can push populations toward collapse. Despite these challenges, the great white remains a marvel of adaptation. It embodies a biological strategy that has survived mass extinctions, shifting continents, and changes in global climate. From its hydrodynamic skin to its electrosensory organs, every feature is a reminder that evolution is not random. It is precise, relentless, and exceptionally efficient.